Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing very well. It's been so long, guys. I've done a makeup video, but yes, we are all in quarantine. The extension has been announced, 2 more weeks to go, but you never know what's gonna happen next as well. How are you guys holding up? I hope you guys are all doing very, very well, and hope you all are safe and home and chilling. The perfect time to open YouTube and just chill, watch some videos and relax. So I thought, let me make one of the few kind of videos that you guys really like is of course makeup videos. So guys, NARS is one of my most favorite brands, and whenever I travel, the only brand that I look forward to buying is NARS. It's that good a brand, it's that solid, it's quality, it's neither over the top, it's very elegant, classy. It really goes, I think, with me what I like. So today's video is basically I'm going to be doing my almost my entire makeup using NARS products. Of course, there are a couple of product lines that I don't have of NARS. For example, I don't have any eye products. I'm just going to take you through a quick makeup look using NARS products. I have to prep my face first, so let's get to it. I'm going to be using the Clarins moisturizer. Absolutely love it. I've already put the advanced night repair AC Lauder, and I'm almost over with it. I've hit the pan with the Clarins cream. Very, very sad, but we can't help it. Okay, I'm going to use the Moroccan Argan oil. My skin is super dry, especially these areas that I'm putting the oil on. So I make sure to grease it up very well before I put on any makeup. I'm going to move on to the most important thing that I always use is the MAC Strobe cream. Sorry guys, in the beginning, of course, for priming I don't have any NARS products, so let this be a usual routine of what I put. I'm going to use the MAC Strobe cream. Can you see the instant shine the strobe cream brings to the face? It's always like that. Okay, now that the skin is pretty much primed, you can see it's moisturized and it's smooth. We move on to the products. I'm going to start off with the concealer first. There are days when I use the foundation first, concealer later, but today I'm in the mood to do it in a little subtle way. So I'm going to use the NARS Creamy Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in the shade Medium 1 Custard. And let's just use it in the areas I need concealing the most. This is the cult favorite concealer, guys. If you ever can get your hands on NARS, the first thing you need to buy is their concealer and always stock it up. So I'm going to be generous about using this and use it on every area that needs concealing. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques fluffy brush and just start. Radiant Creamy Concealer, guys, gives a very good shine, and it's like as the name suggests, radiant, so it immediately illuminates the face, especially the under eyes. So I've just used it all over the face and the areas that I felt needed concealing. As you can see, I already have a very smooth finish to my face, which is just amazing. I'm going to move on to the foundation now. I'm going to be using the Medium 1 Punjab. That's the foundation that I use, guys. I absolutely love the NARS foundation, the NARS concealer. Everything is just fabulous. So since the concealer already has a great finish, I'm not going to be loading myself with too much base. I've just taken whatever was there on the lid of this actually, which is honestly I feel still a lot, but let's just make do with it and use it all over the face. We're done here with the base. Very nice, right? I've already shown you guys two of my favorite NARS products, guys. So let me do a recap of what I've used and why are they so special, and a little bit of idea of the pricing. So I've used the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. This is a cult favorite, guys. I think any and every blogger I follow, this is one common makeup product that every beauty lover has, and that is this concealer. The name says it all. The key features of this product are that it's the radiant, it gives you radiance, it is creamy, hence it is very like, it just blends into your skin very beautifully, and it just look at my base, guys. I think my base is just amazing thanks to this. So this is a must have. These are pretty much the goals that I have from my makeup. I want it to be radiant, I want it to be creamy, and not very dry, because I anyway have some dry skin, and I want it to be glowy. Like, who doesn't like glowy skin? So again, this is extremely smooth. There are foundations which are very cakey, there are foundations which you need to mix something with it, or some are really soft and watery. There are different textures to foundations, high coverage, low coverage. This is buildable. You take as much as you want and get the finish of how you want it to be. I could have made this even more, but this is, I think for me, this is full coverage, and this is a lot of makeup. But if you see, there is a natural shine on my skin, and that is thanks to this product. I absolutely highly recommend both of these NARS products for the perfect base. This is priced at about 2100 from any Sephora, anywhere NARS. I think the creamy concealer is 2100. The NARS Sheer Glow foundation is priced at about 3800. I'm not sure, because in Australia there was one price, and UK there was another price, so there are different prices, but the price range is about 4000 for this foundation. I believe there's a NARS that has opened at the Bombay airport, so if any one of you follows me from Bombay, and when life comes back to normal and you start traveling, or someone is coming, or you can get a cult beauty delivery, please get the NARS products. Moving on now, I'm going to first do some sort of bronzing and contouring. I don't use contouring too much anyway. The product of NARS that I have here is called the Laguna. This is a very beautiful natural sort of a bronzer. So I'm going to be using this brush, which I've pretty much never used. This is called the Must Have Angled Blush. This is an angled brush, and let's do with this. I'm going to just be using it here. Okay, that's a nice natural sort of a depth there. That's exactly what I wanted. Let me use it on the other areas of my face and just add a little bit of depth and get rid of the whiteness that is in abundance right now on my face. So this is pretty much, I'm trying this for the first time, by the way, guys. I haven't touched it yet because I love the Hoola so much, but I've been using Hoola for a long time now actually. But this is very nice. It's very natural, and it's pretty much the perfect shade. It's mini size. Of course, I always buy minis first. So that's it. So this is the bronzer that I've used. I really like the color. So for all of you who love Hoola, this is the Hoola, and this is the Laguna. So if you see, the shades are very similar. Let me put them together and you'll be able to see the shades are very similar now, and the finish and the smoothness of both the products are very similar. These two minis came part of a Sephora kit of NARS. They costed me about 2500 for two. These kind of sets are really great. I took a bronzer and highlighter kit. Moving on, now that I'm done with the bronzer, I'm going to quickly do my eyes. The only NARS product that I don't have and I couldn't get hold of, their new mascara. It's called Climax. It's this red color mascara, but I have not been able to get my hands on it. My eyebrows, I've just been plucking my brows for a while now, guys, because of course there's no parlor, there's no Urban Clap. Let me just use this. to make sure I don't mess this up. I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Pretty much the only brow product I like besides the Boy Brow. I'm in the shade 5. Now that the brows are done, I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I just want to add a little bit of depth to my eyes. I have two versions of the same blush that I want to talk about. Again, these are cult favorites, so I'm pretty much explaining you the best products of NARS here because I've tried to collect them over time. They're the most famous blush ever. Like, there's nothing that compares to the love for this product that every girl around the world who loves makeup is for this product, and that is the NARS Orgasm Blush. This is the best blush ever. Okay, that is period. There is no debate or doubt about it. Let me show you the texture. Now see this, guys. It's got a shiny pinkish feel to it, and it's got a champagne-y feel to it. And since I don't use powder products too much, I really wanted a stick or a creamy version of it too, which is why while I'd been using the Orgasm for a while now, I invested in the NARS Multiple. This is the NARS Multiple, which is a new version of it. So I'm going to use the powder blush on this side and stick blush on this side. Again, I think this is priced at about 2,000 rupees, but I'm not sure, guys. I'll check it out, see in dollars, and I bought it a long time back. I don't remember, but I think 2,500 is the price of this blush. It gives a very natural glowy finish. I'm so not used to using powder products anymore and using brushes anymore because I use my finger a lot. So I've used a little bit of the blush. I don't want to use too much. On one side I'm going to use its sister product, Stick One. It's pretty much the same finish, yeah, but I just feel these sticks are much more handy. I love this. This was, I think, priced at about $60. So about 4,000. Look at the finish, guys. It gives such a... I don't even need a highlighter, to be honest, because this product is so beautiful. I'm going to quickly put on my Vaseline lip balm. Moving on to the last one, actually the second last one, which is the highlighter. This is the highlighter which was part of the mini kit that I got from Sephora. This is called the Faute de France. This is the beautiful blush, guys. Look at this. I'm just going to use it with my fingers because I honestly feel there's enough glow on my face and I don't want to, but I really want to show you guys the finish. So I do want to try it out. So this is the highlighter. So for days when I have to go for a wedding or really want to do up some extra highlighter, this is such a beautiful and such a smooth. The thing with their powder products is that they are powder products, but still they are very, very smooth. That's the highlighter for you. It's called Faute de France and it's really pretty, guys. Let me grab onto my mascara because my eyes look weird. I'm using my favorite. This is a Benefit mascara, but I absolutely love it. This is the Bad Girl Bang mascara. I'm actually torn between two of my favorite lip products from NARS. The NARS lip colors are stunning. They're the best lip colors ever. Their quality, their finish, the fact that they stay on for so long, you don't really need to touch them up, and their quality, guys, they're smooth. I have three NARS lip colors. One of them I can't find, but it was a peachy color which I don't use anymore. It's called Niagara. The other two are my favorite nudes and are very, very, very famous. One is called Anita. Now this is a very famous shade, guys. It's a very pretty pinkish nude, a peachy pinkish nude. Absolutely love this. It's a little creamy. and the other is called Tolid. Now Tolid is again one of my most favorite products. Now this is Tolid again. I'm almost gonna like more than halfway through with this product because I absolutely love it. Again, this is a nude and this is more matte than the Anita, but if you see, they both have very similar shades. This is a little darker and this is a little lighter, but I'm gonna be going with Tolid. Can you see the finish, guys? It's like my lips but better. Every product from this brand is. I'm gonna show you the swatch of Anita at least so you guys know and maybe spot a difference if you can, but yeah, they were bought different at different times. This is the Tolid and this is Anita. So NARS lip colors mostly are priced at in the range of 2,000-2,500. That's their pricing, but it's so worth it. Just look at the finish of my lips, guys. It's amazing. So their lipsticks are also a must-have. Let me finish my look with a little bit of kajal, otherwise I will look sick. Okay, now that we are done, guys, this is the final look. So guys, that's it. That's pretty much my full face using all the best NARS products that I have. I wanted to do this video because there are certain brands that I can vouch for and NARS is definitely one of them. If you ever happen to go to a NARS counter, here are the things that I highly recommend. Get the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's a must have. It's cult and it's beautiful. Get the Multiple Orgasm stick. This is so good, whether you want to use it on your eyelids or your lips or whatever. This is like a multi-purpose product. You can use anywhere. It's like a tint and it's in stick form. It's a little expensive, but it's a must have. Look at the glow, guys. I don't even need a highlighter when I use this. All of their products, look at the natural glow on my skin. My skin is radiant right now thanks to the NARS products. The lip colors are amazing. Suit yourself. Take whatever you feel is nice. I personally love pinkish nudes always, so I have the Tolid and the Anita lip color, but you can always go for whatever you want. Get their bronzer is amazing. I've used it and I really like it. Very natural. Unfortunately, the brand is not available in India except the Bombay Airport, the Bombay International Airport. But I'm sure if they've reached Bombay, they will soon come to other parts of the country. So whenever the lockdown gets over and life starts getting back to normal, if you are outside India and NARS is available in your country, then please get your hands on these products. They're must have. They're amazing. They're beautiful. And like, if I just had an access to one brand for makeup and nothing else existed, if every product from one brand, I would close my eyes and buy everything from NARS, because a lot goes into creating the kind of products they create, but everything they create is just beauty, great quality, great finish, very good, especially for a person like me who likes natural things, natural makeup, elegant classy makeup. For me, this is just the ideal brand. I really hope you like this video. Let me know what you guys think. Please let me know what kind of videos you guys want to watch. I'll surely shoot them soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.